Hi guys, it's been about 2 weeks now since I've been wearing my Upgrade Courtney topper by UniWigs, and I'm wearing it every day. I found it very easy to style each day. It takes me around 5-10 minutes and then I'm good to go. At the beginning I was wearing the clips, the 4 clips, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. But I decided I'll try a halo band, which came along in the box with my Courtney, and I'll show you how I fit her each day. So here we go. So here is the halo band. It comes with clips which just clip into your Courtney at both sides. Connects really easy. I'll tell you a bit again about the Upgrade Courtney. So the Upgrade Courtney with a 7x8 mono top. This is Burmese human hair, pre-cut layers, 18-inch. And this is how I wear her, guys. So first of all, I put my bio hair in a pony, quick pony, like so. And I get my topper and I put her over my head, behind the band at the back, and then I let her drop free. So then you just pop her on, and you just get the elastic bands and you put them behind both ears, like so. Then I remove my band, my hairband, then position her, and then I just pull some of my bio hair through. Like so, and then at the side, like so, like so, and then that's it, guys. It doesn't take no time at all, easy to do, and that's it, guys. As you can see, it's very, very, very natural. I did talk to you last time about fibre sprays that you can get from UniWigs, and I tend to just spray a little at my part, as you can see. And then you're good to go. Thank you.